Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and you have started your studies. Students, in previous videos we have started our English grammar and complete our lesson number 1 sentences, and we started second chapter noun and we learn about the kinds of noun. Let's go to the next topic. Here students, the next topic in kinds are possessive case of nouns. When the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. कि जब noun singular होता है तब उसके possessive case को बनाने के लिए हम उस word के पीछे apostrophe और s लगाते हैं. Here example is like king apostrophe s Thor, boy apostrophe s bag. Now when noun is plural, जब noun plural होगा and ends in s और वो पहले से s पे ही end होगा, the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe. तब possessive case सिर्फ apostrophe use करने पर बनेगा. Like girls, this is in plural form. girls जो है वो plural form में है तो सिर्फ apostrophe लगाएंगे. Then clothes. boys apostrophe school. Now, when the noun is plural and does not end in s, जब noun plural होगा और s पे end नहीं होगा, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe then s. तब possessive case में हम apostrophe और s लगाकर उसे possessive case बनाएंगे. Like children, इसमें ये plural word है but s नहीं end, s पे end नहीं होता, so we add apostrophe then s. children's toys. Men apostrophe s room. Now when two nouns are in opposition, the possessive sign is put on the later one. जब दो जो nouns होते हैं वो oppositions में होते हैं तो उनके possessive sign कैसे होते हैं? That is Shakespeare, the playwrights. Here playwrights apostrophe s, theater. When the nouns are closely connected, जब noun बहुत connected होगा closely, the possessive sign is put on the later one. तो possessive sign कहाँ लगेगा? Like these are mini and tennis shop. तो जिस तरह से यहाँ पर भी था शेक्सपियर, दो वर्ड्स हैं, playwright, तो जो पीछे वाला होगा उसके साथ हम लगाएंगे. And here also जो closely connected होंगे like mini and teeny, तो जो लास्ट वाला होगा उसमें हम apostrophe s लगाएंगे. When the nouns are connected but imply separate position, connected है लेकिन separate position दिखा रहे हैं, they take on separate possessive signs. तो उनके साथ हम separate possessive signs दिखाएंगे. Like have you seen Mrs. David's sons and Mrs. Neil's daughter? यहाँ पर अलग अलग है, Mrs. David's sons and Mrs. Neil's daughter. So here we use on the separate possessive signs for the separate positions. So students, I hope all of you have understood it. Now next point is countable and uncountable nouns. Now nouns have two forms. Nouns की दो forms होती हैं, singular and plural. Previous classes में आप ये सारी चीजें पढ़ चुके हैं. Both singular nouns that refer to one thing or person and plural nouns that refer to many things and person are called countable. Singular nouns वन थिंग या वन पर्सन से रेफर करती हैं और प्लूरल नाउन उससे ज़्यादा पर्सन्स में और थिंग्स में रेफर करती हैं, तो वो काउंटेबल नाउन्स कहलाती हैं. काउंटेबल नाउन्स कैन बी पर्सन, प्लेसेस, एनिमल, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट एंड कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. ये कुछ भी हो सकती हैं, पर्सन, प्लेसेस, एनिमल्स. लाइक हियर एग्जाम्पल, काउ, काउज, रोड, रोड्स, लेड, लैड्स, रुपी, रुपीज, हर्ड ऑफ काउ, herds of cows. And we use this, that, these, those with countable nouns. Now we also use articles a and the and determiners, one, many, etc. with countable nouns. But nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. जो noun को हम count नहीं कर सकते वो uncountable होती हैं. तो such nouns refer करती हैं substance को, feeling को, food material को, natural characteristics को, solid, liquid, gaseous forms को. And we do not use determiners before them एज दे कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड, उनके साथ डिटरमाइनर्स का यूज भी नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो काउंट नहीं किए जा सकते. सो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर ऑलवेज सिंगुलर इन फॉर्म. वी यूज determiners like some, little or much before them. Like she was given a punishment, there is only little rice left in the jar. So students, here some exercise for you. So all of you have to practice it.